Hello everyone! It is currently 9 p.m. right now. I just got out of the shower. I have an exciting day and I'm bringing you guys with me. Tomorrow is beach day! So we're getting up early, my boyfriend and I, at 5 a.m. and we are hitting the beach, gonna catch the sunrise and just have a banging beach day, honestly, which I'm so excited for. I don't leave the house anymore. So I'm gonna take you on any adventure that I can because I miss going on adventures. Bringing you guys with me. I gotta go get my stuff together. I gotta make sure the drone is charged, packed up, sunscreen, waters, and this camera is charged for tomorrow's adventures. And then I gotta get to bed because I gotta get up so early. But it'll be worth it. Alrighty, good night. I will see you bright and early. Good morning, guys. Bright and early. The sun is not even starting to peak yet, but I want to welcome you to New Smyrna Beach. We have got the setup going, and in probably about 20 minutes, the sun is gonna come up. Alrighty, we've been sitting here for quite some time. It's probably 6:30. Anyway, it's probably like 20 minutes after the sun was supposed to come up. It's finally starting to peek over the clouds. Not the typical sunrise, but it does look really pretty. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Seth is gonna set up the drone. We're getting some shots of this bad boy. The sun is up. We got some incredible drone shots. Seth, I think, might be a professional drone photographer in his past life. Don't you think?
No.
Yeah. All right, so we are going to soak up some morning sun. Honestly, I might take a little power nap. I'll check back in with you guys later. And I have some exciting news later, so very ready to share that with you guys. This is the setup. Seth just put our umbrella up. Got some granola, got a watermelon bubbly, the best, can't tell me otherwise. And it turned out to be such a beautiful day. It was actually supposed to be, I think, raining right about now, but Florida did what she does best, and that is constantly changing the weather, so it's pushed back the rain a little bit. But it is such a beautiful day. We're just chilling, and just wanted to check in. I will see you guys later. Hopefully I'm not sunburned. So we just went down to the water. It's a little chilly if you ask me. And as soon as I said something about the sky, like giving us a nice blue sky, look what happened. Yeah, so that is the rain coming. It's stunning over there and nasty over there, but that's Florida for you. It's getting a little little fried there. I do have a special announcement that I want to mention to all of my subscribers. I'm going to be doing a super fun summer series, okay? And it's going to be called the Florida Beach Tour. I'm going to be exploring and experiencing a ton of different Florida beaches. So I'm gonna be driving coast to coast, up and down, all around the state of Florida to experience all these different beaches and kind of review them, kind of go over my standards of what a good beach is and see if that one matches up. So when you guys think about the Florida Beach Tour, I want you to think your ultimate beach guide for anybody that's coming to Florida or that lives in Florida. I want to get in every single popular, stunning beach, get in there, review it, share some amazing footage of the beaches, hopefully pick up some trash along the way because people are disgusting. Just see a bunch of different beaches and explore my backyard because I feel like I don't do that enough. You don't really need to travel, you know, in a plane or a train to get somewhere new. A car will do just fine. I'm so excited. Got a lot of prep work to do. If you guys have Florida beach recommendations, make sure you comment them down below. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited. The Florida Beach Tour is going to be legendary, and I'm gonna see so many stunning beaches, beautiful water. I finally am gonna sort of discover what's been there all along. So I'm excited to kind of challenge myself in that way. I think the rain is coming in. It probably will just rain for like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna pack up some of the electronics, and I don't know if we're gonna leave, but definitely gonna have to sum this video up for right now. So I will see you guys later.
2 hours later.
So it didn't rain, but I broke into the Apple Bubbly now. This is like a video sponsored by I wanted to check back in since it's not raining. I did have to put my gear away. What beaches are you excited to travel to for the Florida Beach Tour?
I think anywhere down south, really.
I'm particularly excited to go to Sanibel, Amelia Island, and Amelia, or is it Amelia Island?
I have no idea what any of that is.
I don't know. I will definitely link a temporary itinerary down below. I think that'd be so cool. And like I said, if you have any beaches you want to add, make sure you comment them down below. Okay? We are going to just do a little more relaxing, and then I think we're gonna leave soon and go grab something to eat. We are heading home now. It started to get really crowded, but before you leave New Smyrna Beach, it's kind of an unwritten rule that you have to have Mason Bar. Mason Bar is this cute little restaurant, but they serve and they specialize in smoothies, fresh pressed juice, and our favorite, everybody's favorite really, acai bowls. So we're gonna go grab one, maybe two. You ready to see what Mason Bar looks like? 3, 2, 1. Look at that. So there's honey, blueberries, bananas, granola. They have really good granola. And acai way down in there, and they lined the whole thing with peanut butter. Super good. Let's cheers and enjoy.
Cheers.
A finish to a good beach day, right? All right, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this. I will see you later. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Definitely stay tuned, turn those notification bells on because the Florida Beach Tour is happening starting later this month. I'm so excited. This summer is going to be legendary. So make sure you're tagging along for the journey. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.